Here we are again at Cabbage Tree Bay, Sydney, Australia. In this video I'm using the new DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone and putting it through its paces by doing some morning videography just around that sunrise window. Here I use the DJI Intelligent Flight Mode of Waypoints, Hyperlapse, Helix Quick Shots, Tripod Mode, and Cruise Control. Here we have a light source from behind which produces the morning sunrise that saturates the scenery with yellow-orange light. The small wavelengths, blue, are lost through scattering, while the longer wavelengths, orange and yellows, are transmitted through the lower atmosphere to give the effect of colouring by transmitted yellow light over the building below. A nuanced interplay between transverse motion, ascension, tilt down and zoom in tripod mode can give synergized cinematographic results. People going up the bay, people going down the bay, someone swimming across the bay. Mayhem. A handy new setting, Cruise Control. Here it has been activated by tapping on the right-hand side back C2 button while flying in reverse at a speed selected at just greater than their swimming speed. This then, without any further input from me, maintains my reverse motion. Then, slowly tilting up using the left-hand side gimbal wheel to give a background reveal. As Quick Shots has been engineered by DJI to shoot in 4K, I have selected the autonomous Helix mode here. The autonomous flight mode has been engineered to give sharp focus in both the near and far fields, a great effort by DJI. I still struggle with focus while moving at greater speeds. A balance between motion blur and sharp focus is difficult to achieve, for me anyway. Looks like hard work battling a rip current. Good technique is to get out using the rip current, whereas to get in, come in over the sandbars where the waves are breaking as water is transported shoreward there.